are not protected, not sensitive.
Is outside the protected area, right?
No, we are not protected.
I think we can avoid the water bodies also. There is no permanent water bodies. It's like water logging only. It's not a.
See,
Logging is there, right?
Yeah, but it cannot be considered water body, no?
Means you have to wetland within project area. Wetland within project area is not protected. You can put that.
Wetland
Within project area is not protected. Not protected type. Not protected. That's all.
outside the protected zone, outside the protected area.
Outside protected area. Outside protected area. Actually, if you see the map, there are multiple protected area within ADNOC concern area plus and the sea also. There are like particularly what to turtle nesting, fishing, and what you call that. The particular fishes are there.
Dolphins are there.
Dolphins
Some
are there.
dolphin areas are
There
there.
are some areas.
Some heritage is also there in Adok, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, that ADNOC is nothing more within the sea also there are
Yeah.
the green zone.
Mm-hmm.
We see maybe aware of.
Flora, fauna, and everything.
You know that there are big green patches within the sea when you
Yes.
go to the islands on the
Turtle and dolphin areas are there.
Zirku and there are multiple area which is marked as a green area, which is covered by ecologies and this one.
Dolphin and turtle area.
Birds,
Yeah, the seagrass beds, dogons
Yeah.
areas.
yeah.
Okay, guys. So here, are there any areas features high landscape or
No.
skin?
No.
Correct.
The transport routes are around local which are this is the one.
No.
Which are
Are transport routes
congestion.
around the location
Yes.
frequently? Was it not problem? Yes, answer is
Yes, because you are using the common road with the multiple trucks, and you are good. You are congesting that area, right? The congestion. If
traffic
you
plan. We can say
have
traffic plan.
hundreds of trucks coming on the same road,
So it's a
that
traffic plan.
create a congestion.
PRA.
That road is not a busy road, but
It's a single lane or double lane road, but if you are occupying one lane,
Yeah.
so you have 50% traffic.
No, during construction, yes. Answer is yes. But we have traffic plan. Other than that, we cannot.
Yeah,
do.
the potentiality is there, but it is controlled with the traffic plan.
Yeah.
Now, second thing, either you have any approval from the what you call
Traffic.
authority
Yeah.
regarding the movement of
Movement of the vehicle.
This area is belongs to refinery, and we have the clearance from them.
Okay.
Yeah.
CISPA approval is there.
This rule is different, right? For the
CISPA approval is different, but